Hi guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? Guys, you all remember I'm here for that. Today's my first day in Cape Town, and when I came now, I just found a client. This is what I used to do in South Africa before I moved back home. So I have a client that I'm doing nails here. The last time I did nails was in March in the salon. I mean the professional way, but still when I'm home I do nails. But I mean, sitting on a table like this and be doing a client, it's been a while, guys. Just wish me well. So even when I'm sleeping, show me, I can do nails. Even if I sleep, I can do nails. So, for those who are watching for the first time, my name is Vivi. I'm the only foreigner who left South Africa and went back home without anything. You're laughing, show me. You see me, let me tell you. Guys, I'm telling you and him and here also. So I stayed here in South Africa for many years. And then I got broke, guys. And then when I got broke, I just said, let me go home. Not just home, to the village. Imagine actually from Cape Town, and then you go to the village, and start life afresh. That's what I did. So I recently came back to South Africa, guys. You all saw that I came this last weekend, and I came to see my son. But this is what I was doing when I was here in Cape Town. I done. Is it cleared? Like off.
No, it need your face ID.
It's okay. I can do it. It's okay. Mm, cannot verify identity. Your action could not be completed because the server error. Try again.
Let me see. Press there by forget me.
Is that all?
No, face
Sign
ID.
out.
It need face ID. See.
Okay. No password.
Get down. No, this will be it.
So I've been doing nails for years. And then there was a time business grew. You opened a branch in Langa. You opened in Cape Town, you opened in Belleville. There was a time I had 4 branches. And there was a time business kept growing because I believe so much investing than slaying. So there was a time I even had cars or Uber, you know. But I went to broke and then I went home without, I said nothing, empty handed.
Oh.
Even people now don't believe that when I went home I didn't have anything. I honestly didn't have anything. Yeah, people don't believe. I was broke. What do I do here?
Press there by sign out.
Okay. Forgot password.
Let me see. Let me put it on. Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. But that is the truth, guys. And also, when I came, it's not like I'm running any business that is giving me money. Nothing. I'm not doing anything. Yeah, I just came to see my son.
Press
That's
there
all.
by face ID.
Yeah, went on.
Yeah, we're done.
Is it clean? I want to see that it's clean. You know, I've got enemies in the world, so my information cannot, you know. I want to see that it's empty. That the phone is clear. So yeah. So today is my day one, guys. This is what I used to do. For those of you who are in Cape Town who would like to support for us to get money to buy more chicken, guys, you can come to the salon. It's called Dinners and Beauty. It was the only surviving one after getting broke. So you guys can come there. We also teach nails for the ladies. For those of you who want their sisters, brothers, wives to learn about nails, we do teach nails here. It's in Makaza, Kaelisha. So I'm doing nails here now. So we're going to show you when we are done. And she was also going to tell you if she liked the nails or not. I'm going to be honest. I'm going to give the honest review. So I'm going to be, I'm going to do them well so that she can give a best review. So that is what I'm doing today. So I'm fast when it comes to nails. I'm fast when it comes to doing nails. Unless if the nails are complicated. If they are not, normally 30 minutes I should be done. Normally 30 minutes we should be done. Kunomafewa munenge
iroro ndo randarishandisa komabhafu
mabhafu andisanda ndangona iri ndangona hwandakanita
ririmo mudhiro iri arimo mudhiro
tingati taita zvenhare migrina isati yachena voti vanoenda Is it done? Hey, my guy, wait. Just a minute, show me. Guys, I'll show you the update very soon, okay? See you soon. Guys, leave. Murise, guys. Nhasi kana ndamboti ndimbosvikawo kubasa pedu. Remember ndikasvika Saturday. Sunday ndikambozorora. Monday ndikambotenderera. Tuesday ndikaenda kuchikoro kwemwana. Asi ndati regai ndimbosvikawo kubasa kwedu wedu. Ndasvika ndimbosvika kubasa kwedu. Mumboona ndozvaindiranisa muSouth Africa izvi. Vamweni vanenge vachibvunza kuti vhiwaitei kuSouth Africa, vhiwaitei. Ndozvandaita muSouth Africa izvi. Ndo one chekutanga chezvinhu zvandaita muSouth Africa. Baba ndakapinda muno muCape Town 2018. Ndaingove muno mukairisha makazi zvichitanzara. Of course bhizinesi akatombokurawo ndikavhura kulanga kubheovho Cape Town. Ndikazobhuruka hangu but panapa pamakaza hapana kumbovhara. Reason being ndandikatenga container. Hakuna mari zvako iri kubvako container kwacho ezvinezvi. But nenyaya yekuti futi iwinter mheno December. But hakuna chiri kubvako chekuti mungazoti maybe ndokune source yangu of income. Hakuna chiri kubva kuno kubasa kwakatongonyararawo zvako. Vanogara muSouth Africa munoziva zvandikutaura kuti kana iri winter kunenge kwakatodhakwa. Kunenge kusina kana change chimbodipo. So ndozvimwe zvezvinhu zvandaita. And then nezvekubatsirawo kuadvertisa zvemawaiver. I think you guys know kuti nyaya dzemawaiver ndodziziva ende ndodzinzwisisa. Ndozvimwe izvozvo chete. And then vamwe vari kubvunza kuti kuZimbabwe saka uri kurarama nei, uri kushandisa sei. Ndichapindura iyoyo ndichinyatsokuratidza kuti guys ini ndodai. I will make sure kuti ndayatsopindura. Pandichaita vhidhiyo rakazvimirerera rakareba and explain. So anenge aine maquestions bvunzai henyu. Ndichanyatsoita vhidhiyo rinenge rine maanswers wayo ese ndichinyatsoexplain. Tangira yandakaita, bhurukira yandakaita. Zvandiri kuita izvi ndo basa rangu rekutanga irori ndo rakandichengeta basa irori. Ndo basa rakaendesa vana vangu kuchikoro irori. Pasina blesser, pasina hama inondibatsira basa irori. Of course hauzoshayiwa hama inongokutengerawo airtime hayo kana data, but izvi ndo zvakaendesa vana kuchikoro izvi. So guys, tazonyatsoita vhidhiyo refu ndiexplaina zvamuchabvunza, but ndichatsa kuYouTube. So kana musati wanyatsofolowa kuFacebook, YouTube kwangu, ingoende mungonosubscribewo guys. Subscribe free, remember. Mungonosubscribe and then ndichazonyatsoexplaina ikoko zvese. I am done. doing her nails. I didn't ask her if she liked them or anything. I'm going to ask her in front of you. Chomi, I want you to give your honest review. If there is any way you think I should improve, I told you I have not been doing nails since we're in March, April, May, June for 3 months.
Yeah.
Tell me what you think I need to improve.
Okay, hey guys. I'm very impressed. They look nice and nginezandla zami zinhle. So
Okay.
ngizithandile
Oh, thank you.
So again next time ngiyabuya. Ngizokwenza ezinye.
Thank you. So out of 10, how much will you give me? How many?
100.
Oh, thank you, Chomi.
Enkosi.
How much did these nails cost you?
250 ka. So
Guys.
at least guys, ngizani ngizokwenza i-nails.
Hey,
Ibe bahle. Chini.
yeah, so guys, these are the nails that I did after 3 months of not doing nails. After 3 months of staying in the village, these are the nails I did, guys. She's my
And
first
then
customer
yours
since I came back from home. So this is how they look, guys. This is how they look. Remember, I said if you have your sisters, your friends, or anyone, your wives, people you want them to learn how to do nails, guys, we are there. I'm there. Even if I'm in Zim, I'll organize everything for you so that she can come and learn. So a cost for a nail tech is 3,000 rand, which is 150 US dollars in Harare. Kwaseke kumusha 150 US dollars. You learn gel overlay, gel application, acrylic nails, stick-ons, designs. Okay, and also if you want to learn how to do eyelashes, it's 2,000 rand per day. You only learn per day, and then we give you a vinyl certificate. Okay, thank you so much, guys. This was my day one in the salon. I don't think I'll be here, guys. There's a lot that I need to show you. Remember, I still need to show you where I stay here. You guys have been asking me, where you stay, it looks like you're hiding. Not even. I've been sleeping, I've been tired. Remember, if I'm home, if I'm working from home, I'll be busy working. So, I started working today. So, yeah, thank you.